Aloft Air Control, an app which a lot of drone pilots use for airspace authorization, just rolled out a few updates that are actually worth paying attention to. So let's take a quick look. This is Adam with UAV Coach, and recently, Aloft Air Control rolled out some updates that now show more airspace layers directly in the app, specifically restricted areas, military operations areas, and military training routes. When you click on certain areas, for example, here's a spot near the Nevada-Utah border, and tap the airspace tab, either in the app or on your desktop, you'll see pink shaded areas for restricted areas, yellow shaded areas for military operations areas, or MOAs, and gold lines for military training routes. This does not mean these areas are suddenly off limits or that new rules just dropped. This airspace doesn't automatically prohibit drone flight, but it does mean there may be higher risk activity happening, often at specific times, and if you tap it, it will give you more details. The military training routes are especially useful because they show where fast, low-flying military aircraft may be operating. So if you use Aloft Air Control, hopefully this helps you out. Let us know if there are any other apps or updates you want us to cover, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future drone videos. Until next time, blue skies and safe flying.